Ducati divulged the much-anticipated Panigale V4 at the 2017 EICMA in November a year ago. After 2 months, Ducati India declared that appointments were open. Just 20 units were on offer in India for 2018, with value beginning from Rs 20.53 lakh, ex-showroom. Ducati Panigale V4 is controlled by a 1103cc motor got from the MotoGP's Mercedes. Panigale V4S was propelled at a cost of 25,29,000. Ducati has now reopened Panigale V4 appointments in India as the underlying parcel of 20 units were reserved in 7 days. The two bicycles keep on being accessible at the recorded early on cost with conveyances beginning in July 2018. The staggering reaction which the Panigale V4 has gotten, even before the beginning of conveyances, is a confirmation of its mastery in the superbike section, and we are enchanted to report the reviving of appointments to take into account the pending clients' demands that we've gathered up until this point, said Sergi Canaves, managing director of Ducati India. This 4-chamber motor puts out a greatest of 214 horsepower top power at 13,000 revolutions per minute and could be helped to 226 horsepower by mounting an adornment all-titanium Akrapovic debilitate. The fuse framework setup is 4212. Since it's a V4, it has 2 ventilation systems on each side, add up to 4. 2 of them on each side join, add up to 2. These 2 are then joined with 2 exhaust systems, add up to 1. Presently this one is part into 2 by the suppressor. Torque would remain at 91.5 pounds-per-foot at 10,000 revolutions per minute. It will offer energy-to-weight proportion of 1 horsepower/kg with a curb weight of 198 kilograms. The Italian maker additionally itemized Ducati Panigale V4 with counter-pivoting composed crankshaft. This enables the bicycle to advance faster turning by countering gyroscopic impact of wheels, in this manner decreasing wheelie and jump impact under speeding up and braking. Simple taking care of and phenomena loud of corner footing are likewise among its highlights with upgraded execution and rideability. Ducati Panigale V4 depends on another casing known as front frame. This setup makes the bicycle more smaller and lighter when contrasted with the border outline. Show a big piston forks, Sachs monoshock, Sachs guiding damper and a Bosch 6-hub inertial measurement unit controls with gadgets bundle offering cornering Bosch Evo, Ducati traction control Evo, Ducati slide control, DSC, Ducati wheelie control Evo, Ducati power launch, Ducati quick shift up, down Evo and engine brake control Evo. Ducati Panigale V4 is offered in 2 appearances in India, V4 and V4S. Cost of the Ducati Panigale V4 begins from Rs 20.53 lakh, while the cost of V4S begins from Rs 25.29 lakh, ex-showroom, Delhi. There is additionally on offer V4S Special, which isn't on offer in India now of time. Request books are open on first come premise.